I am here again with a video around AWS. So currently I am logging with my AWS instance, and here you can see I am into my location, that is UAE, and view all services EC2. So in this video you will see how you can upgrade or downgrade your instance. Okay, so you will see how you can do that from here. So under UAE location, you can see here instance running 1. So current instance type is x3 large. Okay, so if I come here to see the x3 large pricing AWS, then you will see here the cost, and we can compare that cost. Yes, so this is x3 large. You can see this will come up with a 4 CPU, memory RAM will be 16 GB, CPU credits 96 per hour, and cost here you can see on demand price is 0.1670. Okay, so now I want to downgrade this system because this is not currently much in use because it has 16 GB of RAM. So I want to go for this one, so 4 GB of RAM, so that the cost will reduce because I am not using much. So if you have to do something like this, and in case currently we have micro and you want to move with X large, so how you can do that, let's see in this video. So the first step will be, currently you see this instance is in running state. You'll have to make it stop. So for now I am going to stop this server. This one was S3 X large. Let me refresh. Again, it is a stopping. It is not a stop yet. So it is it is a good practice if you stop before making any change. So refresh again to see the status. Again, it is taking time in stopping. Let me try refreshing again. So once it is stopped, you can go for updating instance type. So it is still in a stopping method. Now once stopped, yes, so this is a stop. Now you can see here, so you'll have to check this particular one, for which you want to uh, update the instance type. I have to update this one, so I just check this one, and you'll have to click here on action, then instance setting, then change instance type. Here we can go for x3 medium. Yes, if you choose that particular one, you will see the price here. So earlier it was taking around 0.2 USD. Now it is 0.5, 0.05 USD per hour. Okay. So once you make this change, you will have to click on apply here. You can see here that it will come up with 4 GB RAM, and the moment you click on apply, you will redirect it here. Now you can see this one is a selected one, and your current instance now changed to T3 medium. Earlier it was T2, sorry, T3 X large. Now I can start this instance. Refresh that one. Yes, it is running. Refresh again. Again, come back to EC2 dashboard. Running instance 1. Refresh here. So it is initializing the status check. It should be 2 by 2. Okay, so now you can see you have successfully changed here the instance type. So that's it from this video. Hope this will be helping in your task. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.